Sunlight filters through the guava grove's dense canopy, painting the ground with dappled shadows. A young child, alight with glee, reaches up, small hands closing around a ripe guava. Plucking the fruit from its branch, the child's eyes sparkle with anticipation. The child bites into the guava, sweet juice beating on their chin as pure delight floods their face. In this simple daily ritual, the guava grove offers a moment of unadulterated joy. Under the crisp morning light, a child, eyes bright with anticipation, approaches the guava grove. The child's joyful steps falter as they reach the guava tree, their small face falling at the sight of bare branches. A profound sadness washes over the child, their gaze fixed on the empty branches where ripe guava should hang. A new resolve hardens their features, a spark of determination igniting in their eyes. With newfound purpose, the child glances around, a plan forming in their mind. They vanish behind a nearby house, melting into the shadows, ready to watch and wait with unwavering intent. In a sun-drenched, grassy field, a colossal gorilla emerges from the dense foliage. An unexpected titan in a peaceful landscape. Drawn by instinct, the giant approaches a guava-laden tree, its branches heavy with ripe fruit. With swift, practiced movements, the gorilla harvests the guavas, creating a massive, fragrant pile at its feet. A curious child gives chase, following the gentle giant to a humble dwelling hidden amongst the trees. Peeking inside, the child witnesses a tender scene. The gorilla gently offering a piece of guava to a tiny, hungry baby gorilla. An act of profound tenderness.